Hi guys, don't mind my voice. Sasa rero ntuge kuba twara gushopinga nanje, but let's try it together. I'm so excited. But in the meantime, kutu shaka which one in your tari hospital? Jamais. Anyway, again.
Go.
Admirez l'œuvre. Admirez. Très beach ou soirée, you know. Don't mind my hair, just mind my outfit. Oh la la, it's giving that. Anyway, kan det verkligen vara